I need to. I think Grandma's. I haven't mailed hers yet. I think that's the only person I haven't sent them to yet. And I thought that I had, but I'm pretty. Is she barking?
No.
You want the flowers? She can have them. You are the entertainment, huh? She was doing this at Grandpa Blake's last night, and she's never really done this around them before, and they were just laughing at her. She thought Grandpa